We're here on the pound yen 15-minute time frame, and this is a AB equals CD pattern, and at the 60-minute structure within the wicks we've created a double top with RSI confirmation, so I'm going here for fib based targets. Now if you're following me today, you'll notice that I've already had a winner on the pound yen for 57 pips, and it was this high and tight flag that you can pretty much see here. And what has happened then is that has actually turned into an AB equals CD pattern. Now I haven't really got the fill I wanted because I was late getting to this trade, but just to show you the way it looks, we actually just fall short of an AB equals CD pattern, but these things are not accurate. We can fall a little bit short or a little bit above it. Now what is quite important though is that if I put the structure level on here, you'll notice we've come up for a double top. You'll notice that we have the RSI confirmation, so we're overbought with divergence. And whenever I see these AB equals CD patterns, I play for fib based targets. So the 382 would be the first one, and the second one would be the 618. Now if I just zoom out to the 60-minute time frame and show you the structure level I'm talking about, you can see that that AB equals CD pattern has come into the structure level here within the wicks, and as you can see we are actually holding it. And if we look further left as well, you can see that we have in the past respected this as well. Now by itself that double top would not be something that I would trade. However, if it happens on an AB equals CD pattern coming into structure, particularly the wicks, for me it is a far higher probability trade, because we're not just trading a double bottom, we're trading an AB equals CD pattern, and we're trading it within the wicks, which for me it carries a lot of weight. There's an awful lot that happens in the wicks on the 60 and the 240 time frame. So let's just go back here to the 15-minute. And there really isn't a great deal else to talk about on this particular trade. I would have preferred a better fill, but again, I'm not sat by my charts 24 hours a day on these things. So let's just bring the orders back on and just redraw this out. My bias actually is that we are going to go higher on the pound yen, but hopefully in the short term we're going to come lower. So 28 pips of risk for 39 to target ones, and hopefully if we can get down there as well, 76 for target twos. Just let me throw back on those fibs so that we can actually see them, and you'll notice that my targets are 2 pips in front of the 382 and the 618 fib, giving us a fairly decent risk to reward. I would have preferred something better, but the trade is valid, and there we go. We're back just for a little update on this trade. I've only just finished the video, but what I've done is remove second targets and place them to target ones only, and near enough all the times on these AB equals CD patterns with double tops I always go for 2 targets. However, my overall bias on this pair is bullish based on the higher time frame, and this high and tight flag here I won on earlier, and because we've broken to the upside, this offers a very strong area to act as resistance. And since I'm already looking at being bullish on the higher time frame, and we have this high and tight flag with a very decent level of support, I don't want to be looking at going past this 382 fib. So I've just gone ahead there and changed the targets just to be a 1 in 1 out now. And we're back for the final update on this trade, and I've just come back from a lovely meal down on the front in Tenerife, and as you can see now, price has come down and hit targets. I think it was 37 in the end we banked. So do me a favour, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and of course if you do like the video, go ahead and give it a like.